Welcome to Circuit K. Today we have HP 650 G2. The customer says the system has a corrupt BIOS, so I should just do BIOS update. So I believe he already troubleshooted and ensure that the system has a BIOS fault. So I will just do exactly what he asked me to do. So you see, it's very easy. The BIOS is on a socket, so I won't even have to stress much, just to pull the BIOS straight from the socket. So before then, let's on it. So we see together. All right, the same is on. All right, so as you can see, we had a glitch as if it was trying to display or come up. Then immediately the system shut down. So put it on again. All right, it's on. Fan is running. Just stop. Okay, the same is still on. Then shut down. All right, so he's a technician, so I won't have to doubt him. So let's go ahead and flash the BIOS. Let's see what the result will be. All right, with this socket, it's very easy. BIOS is out. We don't need hot iron or blower to pull out the chip. So it's very simple. Okay. All right. Okay. First of all, we have to detect the software. The chip. So after detecting the chip, in this case, I won't have to back up. So I will just erase. So in the case where you're not sure of your file, you can back up, to have a copy of the original file. But in my own case, I will just erase. Um, okay, so done erasing. So I have to go to my file location where I have the raw file as the bin file. Okay, so here is the file. All right. So I'll go ahead and write. Check out. Check outside. Anything what you want. Okay, so we are done writing. So that's stage one. So the stage two is to verify the chip, like the data on the chip. So it's very important to verify. Don't always miss this part. All right, so we're done with the recording and verification. So everything is fine with that chip. Okay, so all right, so let me try to bring the camera. All right, okay, I think it's fine this way. All right, okay. So If you can look closely, you see pin number one. That's a mark for pin number one. So this is the pin number one. So it will go this way. Alright, so I will need my tweezer to arrange it in place. Alright. Okay. Okay, it's in place. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Plug in the charger. So it's not coming on. Okay, pressing power button. As you can see, the system is on. So let's wait and see what picture on the screen. Alright, so the customer is right. So he was actually sure that it's a bias issue. So as he instructed, the problem of my system is bias, write the bias, and everything will be fine. So I didn't even want to waste time to troubleshoot. I just wanted to do just as he instructed me to. So as you can see, everything is fine. The system is up and running. All right. So let me do a couple of settings. You know, let me try to access the BIOS environment and see. Okay, good device not found. I don't think you're seeing. Okay, it's fine now. So let's try to access the BIOS environment. I think F9, F11, F. Alright, so F10 is HP. Alright, so okay. Okay, everything is fine. It's not hanging, everything moving smoothly. Okay, so I'll end this video here. If you find it interesting, helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and follow. Drop comment. Tell me what you think about this job. Thank you so much for watching.